Introducing this beautiful 2015 Toyota Sienna LE Conversion van. Offering a Freedom Mobility automatic fold-out ramp and kneel system. This vehicle features a 3.5-liter V6 engine and only around 55,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your sliding door will open and your ramp and kneeling system will stow or deploy. This van features removable front driver and passenger seats. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2015 Toyota Sienna LE Conversion van. Call AutoMobility Store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.